Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Vanguard versus Invesco ETFs. We'll dive into what makes each provider unique, helping you understand their core philosophies. Vanguard is known for its low-cost, broad market index funds, while Invesco often focuses on more targeted and innovative strategies. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which might align better with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Let's get started. Vanguard ETFs are a favorite for investors seeking simplicity and cost efficiency. Their core philosophy revolves around passive investing, aiming to match market performance rather than beat it. This approach often translates to incredibly low expense ratios, sometimes less than 0.1%, which can significantly impact long-term returns. You'll find many Vanguard funds tracking major indices, offering broad exposure to various asset classes with minimal fuss. It's a solid choice for long-term buy-and-hold strategies. Now, let's turn our attention to Invesco ETFs. Invesco takes a different approach, often providing more specialized and thematic investment opportunities. You'll find funds focusing on areas like clean energy, cybersecurity, or even specific geographic regions. They also offer smart beta strategies, which aim to outperform traditional market cap-weighted indices. While their expense ratios can be higher than Vanguard's, they offer investors unique ways to target specific market trends or investment factors. It's about precision and targeted growth. When deciding between Vanguard and Invesco, consider your investment goals. If you prioritize broad market exposure, minimal fees, and a hands-off approach, Vanguard is likely a strong fit. However, if you're looking for targeted exposure to specific sectors, innovative themes, or smart beta strategies, Invesco offers a compelling array of options. Both have their strengths, catering to different investor profiles. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.